Not gonna scold her for that. It's not all about forcing a horse to do something. You have to listen to what the horse is telling you. This horse that I'm working today, I've been working on getting her a lot stronger, getting her back stronger, getting her hips stronger, getting her to round her body some. I've done an evaluation video of her, done a couple videos of her. I'll put a link up here to the evaluation video. She wasn't moving forward very good. She's moving forward pretty poorly, which was causing some issues with her back end, with her ribs. And this horse was well on her way to having some muscle problems, soreness problems, because of how she was using her body. So I've been working on strengthening her back end up to get her stronger for her, but also to get her moving better. It's kind of like us. If we're gonna pick something up, everybody says, well, don't lift with your back, use your legs. Same way with the horse. They have to move correctly. They have to move properly so that they don't get sore, so that they do the job that they're supposed to be doing. So what I've been doing is strengthening this horse's muscles that it needs to do its job correctly. The owner wants this horse to show in ranch riding, and to do that, the horse needs to move properly, needs to move forward, use its body correctly. Otherwise, it's not going to place good, it's not going to score good, and it's going to end up with some health issues later down the road. I've got, the walk has improved a lot, the trot has improved a lot. If you saw the earlier videos, I was needing to constantly keep kicking this horse, keep spurring it to keep it going forward. Well, just the process of getting the horse more fit in the back end, using its back end better, building those muscles, this horse is moving forward better, using its body better. So today I'm gonna spend more time loping. I have loped it, but I haven't loped it a lot because I needed to get it stronger at the trot before I did a lot of work at the lope. So now we're at a point now where I can do more work at a lope because the trot has gotten nice. She's a lot stronger. She's supporting herself better at the trot. Now I'm gonna ask her for a lope. See how her head came up high? Her head came up because she had to get her shoulders up to come into the lope. You see, I've got a pretty decent amount of forward going here. That means the back end is engaging, pushing. I need to get the shoulders up a little bit more. So I'm gonna lift with my hands, round. She's gotta lift her front feet. That stumble was all because of being heavy on the front end. You have to lift her front feet, lift her ribs. There we go. That's better. She's lifting her back just off of my spurs now. A lot better than it was. Before I had to spur just to go. Now she's maintaining her speed better without the spur. So now the spur is more meaning position, which is what it's supposed to mean. Probably saw her lope change there, quality change. Make a little circle here. Get the right shoulder up. I have the same bit on her that I was using in the last video. I was talking about converting a horse to a cathedral. That's the bit. You'll see me using my inside rein and outside rein like I was talking about in that video. If you'd like to go back and watch that video, I'll put a link to it up top. Maintaining her forward so much better. Whoop, I say that and she breaks gait. Okay, now notice you swap leads. What that means is that right lead was getting tired, so she was trying to swap over. Not gonna scold her for that. I do want the horse to stay in the lead that I asked for, but knowing that I'm working on condition and strengthening, she's telling me that's all that this right lead can, she's telling me that's all that right lead can handle right now. It needs a little bit of a break. I'll walk her a little bit, and then we'll go to the left lead. It's not all about forcing a horse to do something. You have to listen to what the horse is telling you. My walk is getting much better than it was. Still not quite where I'd like it to be. Better forward walk than what I had. You notice her tail's not swishing. This is the horse that I did the tail swishing video on because I was sending her forward and she was complaining. Now that she is getting more fit, she's not there yet, but now that she is getting more fit, tail's quieter, she's not complaining because her body condition is in a better condition to do what I'm asking her to do. Had her head cocked to the right a little bit, flex her to the left. Same way I was doing in that video. Bend with the left hand. Lateral bend with the inside hand. Vertical bend with the outside hand. Now let's ask for a left lead in this corner. There we go. Here's just pin just a little bit. That's going to go away too, just like the tail swishing went away. Real important with a horse like this that you ride, that you don't just be a passenger. You have to ride the horse, send the horse forward, ride the horse, send it forward, and be a rider, not a passenger. My body needs to send that horse forward and help that back end engage. That's getting a lot better. Still need more roundness in the shoulders. Still need more lift. She's a little bit speeding up there because she's a little bit downhill and inverted. That's going to continue to get better as her strength gets better. Whoa. Good girl. There's an update on Rose. I'll put a link up here to her playlist if you want to see the other videos that I've done of her and how she's come along since the beginning. This is going to be a pretty nice horse for her owner. She's going to show her in ranch riding. Until next time, thank you for watching.